Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. To turn on the Wi-Fi on your laptop, you simply have to open the control center by clicking on these three icons on your taskbar. Then, to turn your Wi-Fi on, just click right here and make this icon blue color. Then if you click the arrow icon next to it, you'll be able to see the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Then if you select any of them and click connect, you'll be able to connect to this Wi-Fi network. And that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.